It might seem like a trivial time saving, but when you're racing, every half second counts. KTM's Quick Shifter Plus allows riders to select gears without the use of the clutch by simply using the gear lever. This is made possible by a sensor integrated into the shift linkage that detects when the gear shift lever is modulated. The sensor triggers a signal that momentarily interrupts both the fuel injection and the spark for a millisecond, allowing for a momentary gap in forward drive to slot the next gear into place. When the new gear is detected, the throttle body reapplies the throttle, reigniting the fuel and smoothly returning forward drive without any harsh jolts. Because this happens so fast, upshifts happen almost instantly, meaning uninterrupted forward drive, so you can grab a gear while transitioning between corners or even while banked over exiting a turn.